YouTube. This Gbody G-Ride. What you gon' do? It's like it's a squeeze out. Share this with who? With all of your squeeze out. Watch out what I do when I'm building this G-Ride. My Gbody is so gorgeous.
Today is the day. Today is the day that my boo come home. Today is the day my boo is coming home. And I'm gonna love my boo so much. I'm gonna cherish this day. January 4th, January 5th. That's the day. One of them days. My boo is coming home. I know it's late, but my boo is about to pull up on me. Hey.
3 hours later.
There goes my boo. There's my boo right there. It's already ready. It's already ready. Ooh-wee. That's her right here. That's my new boo. That's the new boo. That's my boo right here. Ooh, that motherfucking right. Yep. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Barnyard Fine. She is the original V8 car with the original everything. Somebody just changed the alternator on this car. Compressor, original. Everything original V8. 4.4 liter. I believe it was a 4.4 liter. I'm not sure. I have to do more research. Yes, we got a gym here, guys. Ladies and gentlemen, we got a gym. I don't know why they didn't put the floor shifter in there, but she kind of look good like that. We're gonna get a battery and start her up so we can see how she sounds. See what she's going through, see what she needs. Oh, this is a perk. This is a Peck and Ray Dennison. We're gonna have to Google that and see what that means too. Little rust damage, but that's nothing. It's just surface rust. Yeah, she is a gem, ladies and gentlemen. Look how beautiful she is. Look at how beautiful she is. Oh, see that? Hold on. Let me zoom in on this. Y'all don't see this in the background. This where it all started. Man, my neighbor, he had an El Camino on his driveway on a trailer, and he was gutting out and asked me, Rod, you want anything off of it? I saw they had the 87 doors, mirrors with the power, door locks, power windows, double headlights, fenders, everything completely. I was like, yeah, let me get it. You know, I could flip it. So he gave it to me for the low. So I bought it, tried to flip it, had it sit in the backyard. Nobody act like they didn't want to buy it. So guess what? The homie hit me. Hey, Rod, I know where Malibu is for the low. I'm like, what? Yeah, run that. I already had the front end, bro. So it's like I got half the car already. So that's how I ended up with a Malibu. And the rest is history. And that's typically how we want to find it. We want to find her original, virgin, never been molested, never had no rims on it, no bead. It's a little 2-barrel Holly. It wasn't really doing nothing. Ain't been just driven to the curb. She's solid. Look at her. We're going to have so much fun with her. I bet you everything is there. Everything. You know, that's how you get it. Need a little work. Door panel right here. It's nothing. First thing we're gonna do is clean this mug out. Mug been sitting up. A lot of these cars be sitting up. So first thing you wanna do is just see what you got. It's a clean car all the way through. It's all original. Ain't nobody been high riding this mug. It was the first person who really built this mug. We're gonna really do the suspension, the A-arms, tubular. We got the homie with the A-arms, tubular suspension right now. He just hit me, got it for a good ticket. Somebody else, they don't want it, so you know. Budget build, but yeah, a hell of a build, right, son? And there you have it. Cars, you know, door panel on this side. We got 2 extra door panels over here. They get a door panel on that side. That kind of messed up right there. The headliner, okay, that's nothing. It's minor. Dash crack, okay, whatever. We going 87 dash anyway. Seats is on here. All original seats on the original red interior. Feel me? Coming soon to a Gbody near you. Yeah, you gotta get all this, man, stuff everywhere, son. You see all this stuff? Look. Let's get this mug been setting up. So we gotta make sure all of this, bugs.
Ew, stink.
Stinky winkies. It's that Gbody lifestyle.
It's so stinky.
Yeah, I don't know where this mug was sitting at, somebody's barnyard or something. They probably got a lot of cars over there, a lot of nice cars that they bought a long time ago. Woo! Call it old money. You want to put your money up? Buy a lot of cars. Woo! When you need your money, sell all the cars. Ooh, I just grabbed a spider. You gotta have these gloves on. Look at this, all this stuff right here. All of it. It's everywhere right here. Yeah, this is day one. We're gonna be really just going through the car, just cleaning it out.
Clean the steering wheel.
Yeah, see what we got. We don't even know what we got because we can't see it. It's full of junk. Where you aiming that camera at, son?
Right here where I saw the stuff is at.
Oh, it's all right there, yeah. Well, see the motor's a V8. It's a nice size V8. Everything's complete. AC, everything. We gotta kick that on, but we don't want to kick that on and this stuff all in the vents. Alternator look like it's been recently changed. The coolant tank is broken. Look at that coolant tank right there, son. It's broken up. It's missing. I'm holding on the gas. It's just missing. I checked the spark plug. I think it's the carburetor though. We're checking to see something with this carburetor. Muffler got a hole in it. Carburetor.
My Gbody is so gorgeous. And no, that bitch be sitting on 40s. And I'm looking at her painting on oil spill. And I'm looking at her motor and leaking no oil. And I'm firing all cylinders and missing no coils. Riding around in that Regal, yeah, I'm riding around Royal. Yeah, that's what I'm telling y'all niggas. Y'all better understand what the fuck is going on.